Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. So we want to find the height of blood, where the person is getting their blood pressure taken from. We are given the height of mercury, which is 110 millimeters of mercury in a vertical tube. It's open to the atmosphere. It's connected to the vein in the person's arm. So they are getting their blood pressure taken, and we have the density of blood, which is 1050 kilograms per meter cubed. So it appears that they are using an inflatable cuff to check the person's blood pressure. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. So we got a person, we got an inflatable cuff, and we're checking the blood pressure. And we want to find the height of the blood at the upper arm. Step 2, list all the given values and the unknown. So we're given the height of mercury, 110 millimeters of mercury. We're trying to find the height of blood. Step 3, find the gauge pressure formula. So we need this base formula in order to proceed to find the height. So P is pressure, rho is density, G is gravity, and H is height, which is what we're trying to find. In order to do that, next step, we need to equate the two equations. So we're going to equate the pressure of blood with the pressure of mercury. And we've got this right here, so P1 is equal to P2, and then from there, step 5, we make the height of blood the subject. So what we do is we divide both sides by the density of blood and gravity. Gravity will cancel out because they are the same on both sides. So we are going to get a density ratio of the density of mercury divided by the density of blood multiplied by the height of mercury, and of course gravity is cancelled out. Alright, step 6, find the height of blood. So we plug and play. So the density of mercury is 13,600 kilograms per meter cubed divided by the density of blood, which is 1050 kilograms per meter cubed. The density units will cancel out, and then we multiply by the height of mercury, which is 0.11 meters. This is found by converting the 110 millimeters of mercury by 1000, which will give us the meter equivalent. And our height of blood is 1.42 meters. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however, I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws and this is an original question. Sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using the snipping tool. You can follow the instructions below. So if you've never used snipping tool, just follow the steps. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So click on the snipping tool icon in your taskbar. If it's not in your taskbar, go into your Windows search, type in snipping tool. Once you have it open, click on the video option, click on new, left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then from there, click the start button from your snipping tool. Wait for the countdown. Then click on the replay button on YouTube. Let the video finish. And then hit the red square to stop recording. Then save your video. Alright, so like and subscribe, share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, if you found a mistake, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.